All right, we're out here. Gonna start throwing this gotcha plug. See what's going on. Maybe pick up a jack. Maybe a yellowtail if we're lucky. Tide's really low right now. But let's see what this looks like. Looks good. It's heavy. Let's go to the point. Might be better out here. Little cut. Looks fishy. Got something. Not sure what. Shit. I think it's a barracuda. Got light drag. Definitely a cuda. See how we're gonna land this guy. I think he just realized he's hooked. I saw a yellowtail with him though. Drag's pretty light. There he is. If we can't pull him in with this one. Oh, fuck, he just broke me off. Oh, just started raining. And we have 20-pound leader on here. Just lost that barracuda. One of my only lures I brought with me, so. That was a little gotcha plug that I used. This one we're gonna try out. Hopefully we can get a yellowtail. I saw one running with that barracuda. But action brings action, so it makes sense. Wish I had some heavier leader with me. Feel bad. Hopefully that barracuda can get that hook out of its mouth. But it is what it is. Right, we're gonna go see if we can get another one. Hopefully don't lose this one, because I just have squid and rigs after this. So if that's the case, I might hop in the water. But we were fishing from up here, just tossing it out deep. Letting it sink a little bit and then just kind of reeling it in. I'm gonna hop down though. Pick my line. Sweet. Got some rain pushing in here. I'll let that one sink. Oop. That was a hit on the float down. There it is. Sweet. We're on again. Might have to get out to the point here slowly. Don't know what this could be. Got some decent weight. Woo. Get off these slippery ones. Show me some color. Some type of jack maybe. Oh, yellowtail. That's keeper. Woo! Awesome, guys. That's dinner right there. Maybe this will turn into a catch and cook video. Well, wherever there's one, there's usually more, so we're gonna try and get this bait right back out there. That's him right there. Beautiful colors. It's gonna be a real good meal. I think I have my knife with me. We're just gonna brain and bleed. Oh, he's completely dead now. That heart's still beating a little bit. He's gonna start bleeding out here. I wish I had that on video so I could send it to him. That's like a clean snap too. That everything? Light? Yeah. Here's swell. Looks wild. Let's see what getting out's gonna be like real quick before you hop in. I think you'd probably take your shoes off or your flippers off. Toss them up. There's like a spot you can have a step right there. Yeah, I think it'll be good.
Can we go through here?
Yeah, we could just swim around and then we'll come back to our stuff. Camel too.
Wait, we're having all seafood.
Yeah.
Seafood dinner, baby.
Whew.
Hell yeah.
Here's our lobster. Gonna clean them real quick. Get it. Pat. Pat. Cold. Just like that. Pretty cool.
Yeah. Pick up your trash.
Well, back at the house. Gonna fillet this fish up. Lost my fillet knife, so making do with this. That's dinner. As much as this knife kind of sucked, it wasn't that bad. There's a little bit of meat left on there, but not much.